Hey there, this is K4A, Knowledge for All, and in this video today we are going to talk about SketchBook, what is SketchBook, and why I'm recommending it, and I hope this video will be start of a new series about SketchBook and painting illustration in general in SketchBook, and this would be, I think, the first tutorial series about artwork on this channel, but also I am trying to start this because I also have to finish some of my artworks and game art, so I will probably use Sketchbook for that, and that could be a good example how to use it for some of you who haven't heard for it or still don't know which software to use or how to make game art in general. So in short, Sketchbook is software program application, as you can see, I hope, on your screen now, where you can make specifically illustrations and drawings. It's what it's made for I wouldn't say simple, but more like illustrations versus painting and very complex painting and so on. They can be also achieved in Sketchbook, but it's, as its name says, it's primarily made for sketching and illustration. I would put painting and making complex paintings easier in some other software. We will talk about that in future videos, textures and so on. So but again, you can do it, and you can do it to some level compared to some other software like Photoshop and so on. So my personal style and what I like is more gravitating to illustration and drawings and comic style, and that is one of the reason I'm using this software. But let's again just make some simple let's check some simple explanations here, like official site is sketchbook.com. Sketchbook is sketching, painting, illustration software, okay, for all platforms and devices. So it's going also on mobile, you can use it on mobile, and professional grade drawing tools, blah blah blah. So official site is sketchbook.com, where you can download or learn more about it. This software nowadays, it's premium, you have to pay for it around $20, I think. So but it was free, and again, don't buy it. I do not promote this is not sponsored, and also there is one loop in their development, I think, which they because they have given this software a few years ago for free, so I think there is a chance you can use it in that version. We will talk about that in future videos. For now, just concentrate on Sketchbook as application, as software, and check out what you can do. Check out on YouTube what you can do with it, how it's used and so on. So you can see here this illustration is more like painting style, and these, for example, here are more like classical comic style book illustration with very distinct edges, no complex color textures and so on. So you can make both kind of arts, but I think this comic style look is more natural to Sketchbook and people who use it. Most of them use it in that way. I will leave the link to Wikipedia also, so you can check out for you who want to learn and read about it more, to check out how it developed and so on. But I will talk that in a few next videos, and after that I think I will very fast. Very soon I will start making some simple tutorials, and that way trying to improve myself and remember where I left off in Sketchbook and learn new stuff, but also help some of you people who want to make your game art or art in general to see how it's easy. And again, the one of the biggest and most important features of the Sketchbook for me is that it is very easy to use. It is very fast. It is intuitive. You can learn it very fast and use it very fast, which is very important in terms of when I press space, for example, and hold, I can move my sketch, zoom with my scroll mouse, zoom in, zoom out, and so on. I can pick colors here and stuff like that, and change the size of my brush and so on. So it's all about how easy for you is to yeah, I'm in type layer, text layer, so I cannot draw. Now I can, yeah. So it's very intuitive. That's the first thing which I like: fastness, responsiveness. It has small footprint. File sizes are very small. You can open different files like from Photoshop, PSD files, and so on. So it's really crazy how many good features it has, and on the other side it's not so well known and popular like some other software and applications out there. So that's it for this video. Again, just a short intro and a notion what I'm trying to make here in long term in next video. So thanks for watching. See you soon with new videos about Sketchbook, and that's it. Bye for now.